Two-factor authentication, not working on National Bank Direct Brokerage app fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the National Bank Direct Brokerage app, don't stress, it's a common issue, and the solution is often simple once you know where to look. Most people get this wrong because they assume it's a system bug, but it's usually a small configuration problem. Start with your device's time settings. Two-factor authentication codes are highly time-sensitive, so even a few seconds of mismatch can make them invalid. Go into your phone settings and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Next, ensure your app is up to date. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, find the National Bank Direct Brokerage app, and install any pending updates. Outdated versions can cause connection errors with the authentication system. If you're using an authenticator app, open it and find the option to sync time for codes. This quick step resolves nearly all timing-related login issues. If your verification code is sent via SMS but not arriving, try turning off your VIN and switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Automated messages sometimes get filtered by network restrictions. If you recently got a new phone or uninstalled your authenticator app, use the Can't Access Two-Factor Authentication option on the login screen. The bank support team will verify your identity and reset your security setup. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. This refreshes your cache and ensures a clean connection to National Bank secure servers. Once your app, phone time, and network are properly synced, your two-factor authentication should work seamlessly again. Remember, it might feel frustrating now, but this extra layer of security is essential to protecting your investments and personal financial information.